In this video, I'll demonstrate how we can add products in WinkSell. There are 3 ways to add products to the system. The first one is adding each product manually. The second one is by importing a CSV. And the last one is only for those who have multiple branches, which is copying from another branch. Let's begin by adding each product manually. From the dashboard, click on Product List here. Then click on the Add New Product button here and fill out the form. If you have more than one branch, select the branch in which you want to add the product. Next, choose the vendor who deals with this product. You can add a new vendor by clicking the New button here. Enter the product name, generic name if required. Select the category and subcategory. If required, you can also add a new one by clicking this Add New button. Then the size of the product, like 20 milligrams, 20 milliliters, or 1 liter. Then add the unit barcode, which is must, and then the package barcode. Next is the reorder level, the minimum stock at which this product is auto-listed in a purchase order when the checkbox option is selected. Then the shelf or the rack number. Next is the unit per pack field, which is how many units a pack contains. Then enter the trade price of the pack, which is the price you will be paying to the vendor, and then the sale price of the pack, which is the price at which you want to sell this product. Please make sure that you are adding both the trade and sale price in the pack. The system itself will generate the unit price based on the unit per pack. You can also offer a discount on this product and add the value-added tax that applies to this product. Check this checkbox if the product will have an expiry. After filling in all the details, just click on the Add button here. Now, let's move to the next method for importing products via a CSV file, which is particularly suitable for adding multiple products at once. Click on this Import CSV button and then on this CSV Sample button. Ensure that you add all the product details in the CSV file exactly as demonstrated in the sample CSV. After preparing the CSV, select the branch to which you wish to add the products and click on the Browse button to upload the prepared CSV file. Then click Upload, and all the CSV products will be added to the system. The final third method is to copy the products from one branch to another. To do this, click on the Copy from Branch button here, which will open a form. First, select the branch from which you want the products to be copied, and then choose the target branch. Click Copy, and it will add all the products from that selected branch to the targeted branch. I hope now you know everything about managing your products in WinkSell, and to learn things like managing vendors, users, reports, or accounts, please watch our other videos.